Hi. Let's install some VirtualBox on Windows 10. Search for VirtualBox and click on Downloads. Then click on Windows Hosts, and wait for the download to complete. When the download is finished, click on the executable file to start the installation. Click Next. Nothing needs to be changed here, click Next. And one more time Next. Click Yes. Click Install. We are waiting. Yes, we would like to install it. Finish. Okay, let's see what we have here. I will try to add some virtual machine, like Ubuntu Server. Click New. Let's give a name. I will choose a different machine folder. Click Other. On my disk D, I have previously created folder. Type in version, changed automatically when I added a name. Next, 1 GB for now, that's enough. We can change it later, as needed. Create a virtual hard disk now. Next, I will use a dynamically allocated size. As you can see, you can change here disk name and location, also adjust disk size. For my purpose, I will leave it as is. Click Create. Our virtual machine created. Let's see what we have in settings. System, you can add more memory, change boot order, add more CPU. Storage, I will add Ubuntu Disk ISO, previously downloaded. Network, if all you want is to browse the web, download files, and view email inside the VM, you can use NAT. Bridged adapter, this is for more advanced networking needs, such as network simulations and running servers in VM. When enabled, VM connects to one of your installed network cards and exchanges network packets directly. That means, you no need port forwarding to access your VM. You can read about other network modes on the VirtualBox website. I will share a link to their documentation. Okay, let's start our virtual machine. In the next video, I will show how to install Ubuntu Server 20. Subscribe, and you will get notification about the next video. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in the next video.